Using ActivInspire's XY Origin tool is a quick and easy way to help rotations come alive in your math lessons, lessons about objects orbiting in space, and more. You can rotate any object by selecting it and using the Rotate Object marquee handle to spin it around its center point. However, you may not wish to rotate the object around its center point. To access the XY Origin tool, either use the Tools icon on your main toolbar, or go to Tools, Math Tools, and select XY Origin. Add the origin point anywhere on the page, and now the object will spin around the origin point when you click and move the Rotate Object marquee handle. To remove the XY Origin tool, follow the same process or use the icon on your main toolbar.